Hey everyone, welcome back to Pajama Crafts, where I do crafts in my pajamas. Today we are making this adorable little bunny centerpiece. I got this bunny from Target for $3.99. They also had eggs like this, which would also be really cute for this project. And I'm just using my Mod Podge and my old songbook that I got from the thrift store and tearing that into small pieces. This is really thin paper, so it's easy for me to put onto the bunny. But I suggest if you're using thicker paper that you cut it into smaller pieces. You could use an old book from the thrift store or tissue paper. Even old napkins would work too. If you don't have Mod Podge, you can use Elmer's glue mixed with water and dip your paper into that and then put it onto your bunny or egg or whatever you're using. I am using a foam brush just because these are disposable and you can't really use your brush after you use Mod Podge on it. It just doesn't rinse out, so you will want to go ahead and use something disposable or that is old and you don't care about that you can just throw away. I really liked using the sponge brush for this because I was really able to use the end of it to push all those little pieces of paper down into the curves and crannies of the bunny. And then I just kept adding more Mod Podge if they weren't sticking down very well. And the more I got them wet with the Mod Podge, the more they got softer and I was able to kind of, bend them and really get them into the spots that I needed it. I do have my little Brie Bug here with me today. I really enjoy having her watching me do crafts. She loves it because we play music on our Alexa, and every time she hears a new song coming on, she gets so excited and she just kind of jumps along. I did go ahead and leave the video at its regular pace instead of speeding it up this time, just so she wouldn't be jumping so fast that it would be making anyone dizzy. Don't worry, I just took her to go lay down for a nap, so that's why she disappeared. So once the bunny was completely covered, I cut the circle out of the paper plate that I was using, and you could just use poster board for that. And then I hot glued my bunny down, and I'm using some Spanish moss and gluing that around the edges of the bunny. I do apologize for my videoing skills are still not the best yet. I promise I'm working on it, and I'm even working on getting a camera. I've been filming on my phone, and I've just been losing video footage and all kinds of other stuff, but I just put the moss all the way around the bunny, and then I took some little eggs from the Dollar Tree that I had painted already, and you'll see me painting those in another project, but I just went ahead and put some of those little eggs around the edge of the bunny, and I thought it turned out so cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I apologize for the quality of this video too. And that it's sideways. I had a lot of trouble getting this video edited and even trying to save this video, but I just wanted you guys to be able to see this DIY, so I did go ahead and finish it out. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for sticking with me as I learned through this process with you guys. I appreciate all of your support so much. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more DIYs like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.